If you have a dataset table that looks like this at the moment, and you have been tasked to insert a subtotal row that will eventually need to look something like this, stay tuned. I'll show you how you can do this in a jiffy. First, you're gonna select these cells like this. I'm basically selecting all the rows of data that's except the very first one, and then you're gonna press Ctrl G to open a go-to window here. In this go-to window, you're gonna select special, and in here you're gonna select constant, and then click OK. This is gonna select all these header items here, and then you're gonna press Ctrl Shift plus, and then on this insert pop-up here, you're gonna select entire row and click OK. What that's gonna do is gonna insert blank rows for you so that you can add subtotals in here later on. So now to calculate the subtotal, you select all your sales to the very last cell here, make sure the blank is included, and then press Ctrl G again to open the go-to window, go to special. In here you're going to select blank and hit OK. Sometimes the bottom cell is not selected where your subtotal should be entered. You're going to hold down Ctrl and click on this last blank cell here like this, and now it looks like this. And at this point you're going to press on your keyboard alternate equal to calculate your subtotal, and that concludes your subtotal calculation. Now to make it more better, you're gonna press Ctrl B to make it bold, and if you want to, say for example, increase the font size, you're gonna press alternate HFG, and then you can press HFG again, alternate HFG to increase the size, but I like this size for my data set here. And now to draw the line on top and the bottom of the cell, you press alternate HBD, and of course now you can just write the word subtotal like this, and maybe you can just align it to the right, bold it again, and then just copy and paste it every section of the data like this.